This is how you make a fortune teller. You get a paper and then cut it in a square. First, you do it like an airplane. And then do it on the other side. Like a square, but with 4 triangles on each side, like a kite. And then do it on the other side as well. Sorry. And then you draw, and then do it like this. Those people who doesn't know, just watch this. And then you're done. Then don't forget to write the numbers and the colors. Only 4 colors only. Add truth or dare right here. You have to open it like this.
How about you show them the finished one?
Here's mine that I made. Here's mine. Here. This is a little weird, right? Super weird. And I also have another one, but it's empty. Just right here. It's empty. See? Okay, that's how you make a fortune teller.
Say bye.
Please subscribe.